friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get 2 of these very nice deodorants completely for free at Walgreens. OMG, this is a very good deal. I would do this deal sooner than later because I think the IBOTTA rebate is going to vanish very quickly because it is such a spectacularly high one. So these secret special essential oil deodorants, I guess they do everything in your taxes. They are $7.99 each, and for this deal we're going to specifically grab 2 of them. Now, as you can see, guys, this was an only for you, so I think only certain accounts got it, but it's a 6 off of 2. I believe this showed up about a week ago, so if you loaded this, it's going to make your deodorants completely for free. Alternatively, there's also a 5 off of 2, and we'll walk through the math for that one as well. With this one, it's free. With the other one, it's like 49 cents per deodorant. Now, over on IBOTTA, $10 back when you buy 2. As you can see, there's a little time ticker. 4 days left, and it's ticking away. So you got to do this sooner than later. And Walgreens is one of the stores that's participating in this initiative. So like, how awesome is that? So, but you have to buy 2 of these deodorants to get the IBOTTA rebate. If you have been kind of on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, it's a really terrific app. And when they have these really high cashbacks on certain items over at Walgreens, it makes it completely worth it. So if you want to join Team Kimono, check out the link in the notes. And I think when you submit your first qualifying receipt with an item, I think the cashback is like an extra $20 bonus. So for new signups only, check it out. So here is the math for this one. Grabbing 2 of those deodorants, guys, at $7.99 a pop, that's $15.98. Subtracting the 6 off of 2 digital coupon, well, the new total is $9.98. You're going to make a submission to IBOTTA to get that $10 back when you buy 2, so it shakes it out to free. Can you use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one and still get that IBOTTA rebate? The answer to that is absolutely yes. So how fantastic is this deal? I mean, I would run on this sooner than later because these deodorants are really nice. Now, alternatively, guys, if you might have this coupon, it's going to shake out to, after everything's said and done, for the matchup I just showed you, you would add an extra dollar. So you would pay it, the final price point would be $1 for 2 or 49 cents per deodorant. And I think this is the one that most of you have. So do this deal sooner than later. It is spectacular. Now, this little thing, I want to remind you guys one thing. Treat this guy like an IVC. It's going to start tomorrow, which is Thursday the 10th, and it's running right till the 13th. So we have a couple of days to use this one and come up with some even better deals, maybe on Sunday with it. So however you want to do it, but it has to be a curbside pickup, which is you order it online and then you drive to the store, call in a number, and then they'll send you your order. So either or. And yeah, it's I would just sit on it for a couple of days to find the best deal because this is a 1 per store card and we want to get the best deal and the best savings. And I will make a subsequent video on how to use this to our benefit. Okay, before I take off, I just wanted to share something. Bath & Body Works is having their single wick candles for $6.50 today only. And this is in-store only today, as per the email, which is Wednesday, December the 9th. So these candles are typically like 2 for $20. That's usually the going rate on them. So for $6.50, it's some significant savings right there. The limit per shopper is 20. They're saying the savings is $8.55, but they're usually on a sale of 2 for $20. But that's still a fantastic price point. Now, one thing I did notice in the email, though, is they have a barcode that you have to scan at checkout. So if you have a subsequent coupon to go with this, I don't think the 2 will stack. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe your cashier can push it through. My experience is when you have to scan this off of your phone, it's typically one or the other. You can't use both, but maybe it'll work differently. But these single wick candles are a really nice little Christmas gift. And on Bath & Body Works website last night, I was just fluttering around and look what I found. A Three-Wick French Baguette. So this candle was released on a candle day in 2018 and it's back. So I am delighted to see this. If you like the smell of fresh baked bread, this candle is absolutely up your alley. Even for people that don't like candles, this is a pretty awesome candle. It just has the notes of butter and bread and just like a really homey sort of like you know, you put cookies in the oven, you put bread in the oven, that sort of a scent. And I don't know how they do it. It's like magic and stuff in their laboratory in Ohio. But this candle is a winner. And I am like so excited to see it back online. I can't wait till it's back in store because like this is a spectacular candle. I'm going to buy all of them. And then I made a video, I think on Monday, Body Care Day 2020. It's rumored to be celebrated this Friday and Saturday, where products that are anywhere between $13 to $17, like body care, lotions, potions, bath salts, all that good stuff. It's supposed to be rumored at $5.95. It's still speculation at this time, but if you want to watch the video, there is some information. And when this information firms up, I will make a subsequent video, probably when that email drops or it's on their social media about Body Care Day. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.